Hey, welcome back to Video Star '07 Garage again. Today a little update for the 4th gen Camaro fans. It's an '02 Z28. And we're doing the power steering high pressure hose. Started leaking on this, and I'm sure other people are probably getting this problem here also. And so the quick tip for today is which hose is probably leaking on your power steering, and that's going to be your high pressure one. Is going to come into the to the pump right there, and that's a 16 millimeter connection, and it's not easy to get to, but now you see how it snakes down in there and then reappears. You can see the new hose. You see the new fitting down there, and I'll show you a view from down there. And so the tip is then that now that's going to be an 18 millimeter underneath. Let's see if we can get down here and see this or not. You can see where it comes into the rack and pinion there. You see the new line. Okay, that's an 18. And so I run into a little problem with that fitting at the rack and pinion. And you can see how I had to take and cut off. I took a Sawzall and carefully cut through the steel line and just spun the whole fitting out of the rack and pinion. You might run into this problem down there too, because these cars are getting old. And so just a couple of quick tips there. So now here is the hot ticket of getting this back together is to feed the line from the top. And what you want to do, you get the old one out, you take the whole kit and caboodle loose at the bottom, and then you want to feed it up and move it over this way as much as you can, watching out for the wiring and whatnot that crosses over under there. You'll see it. You can see one ground strap there in front of the hose down there. You want to watch out for that stuff and not try to pull that up with it. Like I say, just a couple of quick tips here. Take the whole thing and and this way you don't have to, but what I was going to say is take the whole thing and move it, and it'll come up around underneath all this stuff and up and out if you move it that way and up. This way you don't have to take a belt loose, or you don't have to take the pump off, because looking at it you might think, wow, I'm gonna have to pull the alternator off or something to get all this stuff out of there. No, you don't have to take anything else off, just a hose. And you know, other than that, fill it full of fluid and bleed your rack and pinion out while you got it jacked up, because you're gonna have to jack her up. There's my advice to everybody. Wide open. Move your steering back and forth and bleed out your power steering system with it up in the air. It's a lot less load on the system. But there's my Z28, if you want to see it. She's still looking good and running good. And that's it for today. Hope that helps somebody out. Have a nice day. Video Star '07 Garage. Video Star '07 Garage. Hit subscribe, hit like. Any comments, questions? Let me know.